Your custom dental analytics dashboard. How to use filters. Filters are used to segment the dashboard data into smaller groups for the purposes of discovery, insight, and investigation. Your dashboard contains many filters. In order to view all of them, navigate to and locate the blue More Filters link, positioned towards the upper left-hand portion of the dashboard, and left-click to expose all of the additional filters. Selecting filters. Filters are selected by ticking and unticking boxes in the Filter drop-down selection menu. You should always begin by unticking the All box, then choosing your desired criteria, followed by clicking on the OK button to complete your selection. Filters are searchable. After unticking the All box, begin by entering your search criteria in the search box. When your desired criteria appears, tick your selection and then click on the OK button. Filters are cascading. Cascading filters are ones where the selection made on the first filter determines the values available on the second filter. For example, selecting only South Dakota in the state filter would then populate the city filter with cities only in South Dakota. The zip code filter would only contain zip codes from South Dakota, and so on for all of the remaining filters. Filters can be reset. You can individually reset any previously selected filter by hovering over it until the blue Reset link appears. Then left-click on the Reset link. If you have many filters selected and you want to reset all of them at once, then locate and navigate to the white Reset button that's located below and to the left-hand side of the last row of filters. Filters are non-destructive. This means that your filter selections do not permanently alter the underlying data, nor are they saved. The next time that you visit your dashboard, you'll always see an unfiltered view.